If your Yahoo Mail account has been inactive and you want to get back in, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Yahoo Mail quickly and safely, step by step. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each part carefully so you can sign back in without running into issues. If this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. You can do this by searching for Yahoo Mail or by going directly to the Yahoo sign in page. Once the page loads, you'll see the login box where you can begin entering your account details. Now enter your email ID in the first field. Make sure you type it correctly, especially if you have more than one email address or if your Yahoo account is linked to a recovery email. After entering your email, click Next. This moves you to the password step and helps Yahoo confirm that you're trying to access the correct account. On the next screen, type in your password carefully. It's always a good idea to double check for typing mistakes, caps lock issues, or saved password errors from your browser. Once your password is entered, click Sign In. If your credentials are correct, Yahoo will begin the login process and take you into your account. At this point, Yahoo may ask you to complete a verification step. This is completely normal, especially if the account has been inactive for a while or if Yahoo detects a new device or location. You might be asked to confirm through an OTP, a recovery email, or another security method. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification carefully. If you receive a code, enter it exactly as shown and submit it right away. If you're using a recovery option, check the email address or phone number connected to your account and make sure you have access to it. These security checks are designed to protect your account, so take your time and make sure everything is entered properly. Once the verification is complete, your Yahoo Mail account should open normally, and that means you've successfully reactivated access to your email. From here, you can start checking old messages, sending new emails, and updating any account settings you need. If you still can't log in, it may help to reset your password or check whether your account needs additional recovery steps. But in most cases, simply going to the login page, entering your email ID and password, and completing verification is all it takes to reactivate Yahoo Mail, and that's it. You've now learned how to reactivate Yahoo Mail in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.